If you want to cancel your Vrbo free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure you do it correctly before the trial period ends. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Vrbo website and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you are accessing the account associated with the free trial. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the home page, often represented by your profile icon or name. Step 3. Find subscription information. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Subscriptions or Billing. Click on this section to view your current subscription status and details about the free trial. Step 4. Select Cancel Trial. Within the subscription information, you should see an option to cancel your free trial. Click on this option and follow any prompts that appear to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After you have cancelled the trial, you should receive a confirmation email or notification on the website. Make sure to check for this confirmation to ensure that your cancellation has been processed successfully. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Vrbo free trial before it converts into paid subscription. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Vrbo customer support for assistance.